Walking into work this morning, it felt absolutely great. There's a real sense of energy again. It's a big moment for everyone who works here, and also our suppliers, retailers and the locals that support us.
Halewood means a lot to the community. Getting back to work is a good news for everyone around us. I'm proud to be part of this team. We are back and we are ready to build cars.
Even when we weren't on site, people stayed in touch and looked after each other. There's a real sense of purpose again. It's good for the area, good for the people.
It feels like a fresh start, seeing familiar faces, hearing the line running again. It's like press and play after a pause. There's nothing like the teamwork here, everyone's pulled together.